Taketomi Island, a place where time slows down, where the streets are made of soft white sand and where the scent of tropical flowers fills the air. Today, I'm taking you on a 15 minutes boat ride to visit Taketomi. I'm wandering through the heart of this small island, taking in the peaceful rhythm of daily life. The weather may be overcast, but that only adds to the quiet charm of this village. Untouched, unhurried, and deeply connected to tradition. Walking through Taketomi feels like stepping back in time. The houses, with their iconic red tile roofs, are surrounded by coral stone walls, a design that has remained unchanged for generations. Even on a grey day like today, the island is alive with color. The Bougainvillea flowers spilling over the fences, adding bursts of pink, red and orange to the sandy streets. There's a deep sense of tranquility here, a contrast to the busyness of modern life elsewhere. One of the unique experiences on Taketomi is the buffalo cart rides. These gentle giants pull tourists through the village, led by local guides who share stories and even sing traditional Okinawan songs. It's a slow and simple way to see the village, fitting for a place where there's no rush. The buffalo move at their own pace, just like life here on Taketomi. Most visitors come to Taketomi for the famous Kondoi Beach. But the true beauty of the island is all around, hidden in the lush flora, the carefully maintained gardens, and the way nature weaves itself into daily life. The plants here thrive in the island's subtropical climate, creating a vibrant ecosystem that complements the traditional village setting. Taketomi is a place where simplicity is a way of life, where nature and tradition exist in perfect harmony. Even without the sunshine and blue skies, there's something special about experiencing this village in its quiet, everyday form. If you ever visit, take your time, wander, observe, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere of this timeless island. Beyond its peaceful atmosphere, Taketomi Island is also home to vibrant cultural traditions. Throughout the year, various matsuri, which means festivals in English, take place, celebrating everything from harvest to ancestral spirits. These festivals are a time for the community to come together, with traditional music, dance, and rituals that have been passed down for generations. They offer a glimpse into the island's deep-rooted culture, a side of Taketomi that few tourists get to experience. What do you think about Taketomi on a cloudy day? I know you want to see the beach on the blue sky day, but we do what we can with what we have. Let me know in the comments